Hi, I'm Mrs. Charles with Kids in the Kitchen. Some recipes call for sifting your ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to do just that. There are two ways to sift. You can use a sifter like this, or you can use a strainer with a spoon. So what things can you sift? Well, to name just a few, you can sift powdered sugar and cocoa, salt, baking soda, and baking powder, flour, which is the common thing that you'll sift, brown sugar, dry milk, and regular white sugar. The list could go on and on. Why would you need to sift an ingredient or ingredients together? Well, sifting helps air get into the ingredients. That makes it easier to mix the ingredients together. It also makes your recipes lighter. I've heard that it makes measuring ingredients more accurate too. Most of the time you'll be sifting flour, but today I'll show you how to sift powdered sugar and cocoa. Before you do any cooking or baking, you need to wash your hands thoroughly first. Now, in order to do the sifting, you need a bowl, and you take your sifter, and you're going to pour the powdered sugar into it, and then you're just going to sift it like this. You might need to shake your sifter around to get the powdered sugar in the middle of the sifter. Now you need to measure this sifted powdered sugar. My recipe calls for 1 cup, so I've got a 1 cup measuring cup here. You gently dip it into the cup, and then when you can't dip anymore that way, take a spoon and gently fill in what you're missing. You don't ever want to pack down the powdered sugar. So take your knife and go like that so that you have an exact 1 cup of powdered sugar. When your recipe is completed, make sure you wash your sifter with hot, soapy water. Now I'm ready to sift cocoa powder. If you'll notice, the cocoa powder has lots of lumps. So it really does need to be sifted. So this time I'm using this strainer. I'll pour the cocoa powder in. Now when we sift, you can shake until you get a lot of lumps, and then take your spoon and stir and smooth down the lumps as you sift. Now you just need to measure this. Put it in the measuring cup just like you did, or we did, with the powdered sugar. So whenever you're using a recipe that calls for sifted ingredients, don't skip this step. Sift your ingredients to make a lighter, fluffier cake or a smoother pudding or frosting. Everyone will enjoy your end results, and you can be proud that you've gone the extra mile by sifting.